What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Tonight we're going to be taking a look at Scotch Porter. So I've had a ton of requests over the last few months to review Scotch Porter. I reached out to them a few weeks back. They were nice enough to send me their beard collection, which consists of their beard wash, 8-ounce container there, an 8-ounce container of their beard conditioner, as well as a 3-ounce container of their beard balm, and then a 1-ounce container of their beard serum. Now, I was a little skeptical when I received all these products, thinking, I've seen a lot of hype about them, and I've heard BeardTube talk about them extensively. I wanted to see it for myself. These products were the real deal. And I'm pleasantly surprised to say they have lived up to, all the hype about them. So it actually came with this really cool manual, and I'm glad it did come with this because I was flipping through here, and traditionally I put on beard oil first, and then I put on beard balm, to kind of condition and, seal everything in. Well, their process is completely different. They actually give you a tutorial here. Step 1 is obviously washing the beard once or twice a week. Step 2 is going to be conditioning it. Then here's the change up. Step 3, you're actually putting your balm on first. And then step 4, or they call it step 5. Step 4 for them is the swag the beard, essentially combing the products through. But step 5 here is the beard serum. So it's not actually a beard oil. It's a completely different mixture. I'm very, very surprised and really digging it. But essentially, each of these products goes for $20 on scotchporter.com. The whole kit itself regularly goes for $80. They're having a sale now. It's $69 on sale. But on top of that, they're actually running a Father's Day sale. So you guys can get 50% off if you use the coupon TAKE50, which brings that down to $35. That is an amazing deal to be able to get all of these products here for $35. In my mind, this beard wash and this beard conditioner alone, that's worth $35 to me. These things are awesome. But yeah, that's such a great deal. You can get that for $35. Now, I'm going to put a link below for you guys if you guys want to use that coupon code and go to scotchporter.com. I'll put a link below. Full transparency, if you do use my link, I do get a small commission. Just want to be completely honest with you guys. That's not why I think so highly of these products. The products I think speak for themselves. But again, that little commission I do get goes towards buying more beard products to be able to review. But let's jump into the actual review. This beard wash here, great wash. Show you all the different ingredients there. Now, one of the things that Scotch Porter really touts is there's no parabens, no silicones, no petroleum, and no mineral oil in any of their products. So I've used this product for the last 3 weeks now. It's going on 3 weeks, once or twice a week. Absolutely love it. It gets a nice, good suds and lather. Very good. I really enjoy this. Now, the scent on all of these products, the scent profile, they call it's a masculine scent. It's got a little bit of floral in it with a hint of carnation, hints of sandalwood, and then a powdery musk with spicy undertones. So what does all that mean? Well, to me, it's a very, very fresh, clean scent. It's almost like a coconutty baby powder, with sandalwood, if that's a thing. That's just kind of what I take from it. It's very light on the coconut, barely a hint. It doesn't even have a coconut scent in it, but that's just kind of what I pick up. I really enjoy it. This is an excellent, clean, refreshing, perfect for spring, summertime. Just a very light, refreshing scent. Now, the scent profile lasts all day, especially when you're using all 4 of these products in the same day. If it's your beard wash day, you're conditioning using the beard balm as well as that serum. Really sticks with you all day. So that's a definite plus. I love scents that are going to last all day. But this beard conditioner here, this comes in an 8-ounce container as well. Now, you guys have probably seen Scuba over at BeardTube talking about this, hyping it up. And I will tell you what, he was 110% correct. Absolutely love this stuff. I've been using it to co-wash with. So I wash my beards my beard usually on like a Saturday and Wednesday, and I co-wash every day. And so what co-washing means is you're putting a conditioner in every day. And this left my beard feeling super soft right out of the shower. Now I've used this for 3 weeks now. This comes in that 8-ounce container. You can see I've barely scratched the surface on this. Now these products, this kit was intended to last you 3 months, and I'm pretty generous when I use this. So after you wash, you condition. Again, you're conditioning every day. You are using this beard balm here. And so very different from your traditional beard balm. It's a much softer, almost lotiony feel. I'll go ahead and put the ingredients up there. It's got a ton of ingredients. I won't go through all of them. But again, it doesn't have any parabens, silicones, petroleum, or mineral oil in there. And then again, this comes in a 3-ounce container. Show you what that looks like. It's that white consistency. We'll go ahead and get a dab out. It's almost kind of like a paste, but it breaks down super easy. Yeah. Man, it smells good. It's just so fresh. It's like a trip out of the barbershop kind of that powder. But then you've got that sandalwood. It just smells absolutely, it's a great scent. And so we'll swag the beard, as they say. I call that combing, but go ahead and comb that through. Now then the final step is you apply their beard serum. And so this was a brand new kind of product to me. You can see that beard serum comes in that 1-ounce container with the pump top. Now they say, depending on the length of your beard, 1 to 2 pumps. Got your ingredients there again, a bunch of different ingredients. Again, it's no parabens, silicones, petroleum. I'm just giving it a quick glance. You've got your argan oil, jojoba, canola, castor oil, bunch of different oils in there, a bunch of different things as well. Again, not tested on animals as well. It's always a plus. But yeah, we'll go ahead and throw about 1.5 pumps. I just got my beard trimmed recently, so. Now the consistency of this, it's super thick. That is like, let's see if we can zoom in. See how that oil, look how slow that is dripping down. It's almost like a gel, kind of. Again, this has got a very clean, refreshing scent. And so you're really just putting this step on the outer layer of your beard to lock in all that moisture. And so one of the things, this definitely leaves my beard feeling super soft throughout the day. And again, it smells awesome. So we'll go ahead and comb through, or swag. It's gonna be my new word. Every time I comb my beard, I'm gonna be like, I'm swagging my beard. But yeah, overall, very impressed with these products. I've seen a lot of hype on them. They're all over Facebook, Instagram, all my different social media profiles. I see them all the time and was always wondering if they lived up to the hype. They definitely do. But guys, if you're interested in purchasing, again, please use the link below. Use the coupon code TAKE50, all caps, which is you're gonna get this entire kit for $35 plus shipping. Which is an amazing deal. I'm actually thinking about buying another kit, or buying a kit just to stock up, just because that's such a good price. But guys, as always, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe. God bless you. Really appreciate y'all watching these videos. Please comment below, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.